Yo. Oh, I go on my yo. P-Fly. We back at the barrage today, not my garage. So, you know, got a little update for you guys. Feel me? Back in the barrage with a whole lot of new people. Feel me? So, we got an update for you. New people to the team. What are you doing? Are you still reading? Shorty there too. But yeah. What go on, my youths?
What up, the whole crew here.
Right?
The Back whole crew. With this guy too.
The whole crew here. Want to introduce everybody to what's going on with OJT Barge. You know, so we got Pat. We got my son Kalel. We got Zay, the cameraman. We got Kyle. We got Zane. Zane's got a nice car too. That one day hopefully we can get on the channel. You know. And we got Izzy over here. Also cameraman. He's gonna be working with Zay to help teach Zay some camera tricks and you know the shots and angles, you know, that he uses. If you guys watched the last video with the Mookie's car, all those pictures were done by Izzy. You know, so Izzy's gonna be taking a lot of pictures now and doing the thumbnails for us and just, you know, going with us to our car events, to our car shows and taking pictures. You know?
Your name, a little background on what you do, what's up?
Excuse me, I'm addicted to M&M's right now. Izzy, find my Instagram. SOL Izzy.
Right there.
I'm gonna be working with these guys at OJT. You know, taking all the shots, and I guarantee, you know, you're not gonna want to miss any content after you see it. The video we put out last. Look at it. Just look at it. It's amazing.
Alright, on to you, my guy.
Oh, that's crazy. You're gonna put me on the camera like that?
Yes,
but anyways, it's Pat. You guys seen me in a few videos beforehand, but yeah, you know, I'm just here. Doing car stuff per usual. That's all I do since day one.
Tell them what's the ride that you got, you know?
As you guys seen before, it was featured my S13, which was my 89 240 SX, and I also got a 2000 Lexus GS I plan on manual swapping over the winter, hopefully. So stay tuned.
And Kalel?
What's up? My name's Kalel. I'm known as the guy with the Accord that's outside not doing anything.
You got a what?
With the Accord.
Alright, so we got a sidetrack to another little video. What happened with the white cord? Ain't been on our channel for a minute. Still a touchy subject, but it's okay. I got another one. It's alright. You know, I told my girl I'm gonna get it tatted. It's only right. I gotta get a cord tat. I'm sorry, but we're gonna slide to that. What up? Sweet and sour day today. Back on OJT outside, because we're not even at no garage. So OJT outside today. I got, go with that for a second. This guy with me. Here, hold this. Yo, come here. We doing the whole, you know, you want, I thought you won the channel too, you not?
I am.
He be pranking, yo. He be pranking. So, we all here together. Uncle Mike came.
Hello.
We out here, we outside. Came and pick up the Accord for a good reason. Can you guess?
No.
You don't know.
Well, it's crazy because I know how to drive. You know how to drive?
Yeah, I know how to drive.
You know how to drive?
A go-kart?
Nah, I'm talking about real car. So, I mean, you're gonna need something to learn how to drive though, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much, right? So, you know, I love this steering wheel. I love this car, but time to pass the torch.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got a steering wheel, but you're gonna need keys too.
Where? Oh, I heard you.
There you go. She all yours.
Thanks.
No problem. So now you got something, you know. You bet. Look. What I'm gonna say is the Accords run strong in the family. Cause my mom having an Accord. That's my first car I ever drove when I was like 5. Gave it to my uncle, and he gave me my first car, which was an Accord, and that started kind of like my love passion. And gonna pass it down to this guy. So you can cheese. I mean, you can cheese all you want.
Don't think that we just giving him a car because he is gonna have to pay for. I'm going half. You're gonna pay the other half.
What's the other half though?
We'll talk about that later.
Just know that car don't come with just nothing. It comes with a lot. So it's gonna be a lot, but it's gonna be real worth it. You're gonna have us here. I'm gonna be here to help you the rest of the way. You know, give you the advice. I did as much as you can, and when I come up there, I'll show you around everything, so you know you can get an idea. We'll do a video on that, and we'll go from there.
Thanks.
But yeah.
You guys, Zay, also like I said, the cameraman. But he don't talk much. That's why he's the cameraman. So,
Yeah.
and then
It's your boy Kyle. You guys have seen my Audi previously featured in a few other videos, but I'm the man in the mist, hanging out with my group. It'll be at East Coast S4 on Instagram with a dot or an underscore. Figure that out later. Yeah. So anyways, that's pretty much what we've been up to. We've been trying to get all of our S4s built out for you Euro lovers that watch this channel. Check it all out and you'll be able to catch up on all of our finest B5 S4 builds with all different kinds of turbos, twin and single.
so we're gonna get some of their builds on the channel too. We, we don't have like a Euro, person, but Kyle's always been my Euro guy.
It's my first car, so don't take me as a pro. My first rodeo, but nonetheless, they're not really all that scary. So definitely should look into them. They're pretty.
Something crazy.
Yeah. So like anytime I have like Euro questions or even just like, hey, I don't know anything about this Euro, so I either ask Kyle or ask Pete. Pete isn't here. He was supposed to be here, but I think he's sleeping.
About 1 o'clock on a Sunday. What's up? I'm Zane. I drive a Mark 6 Jetta. It's stock Mark 6. That's my tag. And there isn't much to it, honestly.
Alright guys, so Kyle's car is here and he's been doing some mods on it. Like loves his car. One day he still owes me a drive. So I'm gonna go around with Kyle and we can just look at the car real quick. I know we did a thing on it before, but it was quick. It wasn't really like we really looked at it, Yeah. So I want to kind of bring it back to see the updates that Kyle's on his car.
So let's check it out. If you guys are new here and you haven't seen any of the previous videos, you can go check them out. They're down below. We'll start off with, this is my 2001 B5 S4. I got it. It was I'm the 4th owner, but despite that fact that most of you guys would be scared of, the past 3 owners are actually some of my really close friends. So this was a car that's been in the group for a little while. It started off as one of my buddy's first cars when he was about 20 years old, and he got it with approximately 40,000+ miles with as a 2nd owner. He drove it around. It was a stage 1 APR tuned 2.7 KO3 car, no bolt-ons or anything like that. It was just stage 1 tune, and he drove it for quite a long time, and eventually he blew the KO3s, as most of you guys know. It was about 140-odd thousand miles, I'd have to say, give or take, and at that point he kind of was just like, it was a great car while it lasted, but it's time to move on. My buddy Mike, he was the 3rd owner. He ended up adopting the car by trading his girlfriend's Honda Civic and a little bit of cash on the side, and he bought the car, pulled the motor, got a new engine, ended up putting Franken turbos on it, but unfortunately, given his RB26 240SX, he wasn't able to complete the build to the best of his extent. It was daily driven like that on an MBC bypass for a little while. It did pretty well, I would say, at least. So once came time that the car was getting a little aged and problematic, he ended up wanting to put it up for sale, and I always drove the car and I liked it. I always knew what it was, and since I knew my friends took really good care of the vehicle despite them beating the crap out of it from time to time, they had a little foundation for me to start with. So I ended up adopting the car myself, and I finally finished the stage 3 build-ish. As you most know, it'll never be finished. So here we got my Franken Turbo B5 S4. It's equipped with Bosch EV14 550cc injectors, AEM 85mm housing with the 4-inch VR6 map, and I'm still on the stock ICMs, but I have yet to do the 2.0 conversion because I'm not doing the quick disconnect stuff. It's all a mess. Just hardwire it, save the trouble. Anyways, got a PB5 catch can here to help with those common turbo
Hope you guys can see that. There's not a lot of sun in here, but I think you guys can see that.
And then to pretty much kind of top it off, got a couple of supporting mods like 710N, not tile, Balico, diverter valves, 3-bar map, and Walbro 450 liter per hour pump. That's what it was.
Yeah.
So it's not bad.
Yeah. So how much power you think you're making now?
A lot of guys on these turbo setups, with a really good tune and a healthy engine, they typically squeeze about 400 wheel horsepower on 93 pump.
400, yeah. See, 400, but that's like 400 all-wheel drive, which is
that's to the wheels. It's probably about 450 plus to the crank, but you give or take about 20-25% drivetrain loss. Yeah. And over the course of it being stock at least. You know, that doesn't progressively increase when you get horsepower.
And I can tell you guys right now that Kyle does not baby this car. He drives it. He drives it everywhere. He gets on it like.
It's a little more
drives it.
frequently driven as a weekend car. It's
Yeah.
supposed to be a weekend car, but I enjoy it so much. It's salty out here in Connecticut at this time, and I said it was off the road, but here I am today. And yeah, it's pretty much just my weekend driver. I drive a little often, and I just enjoy it. It's just a great street car, you know. Don't bring it to the track and just drive it. I enjoy it and go out with the boys and just have a good time.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it.
Nice.
So
I just love how, like, you know, we were talking earlier about, like, because right now he has the front open, and I was like, that's an invitation to be messed with, but I just love the way it looks, though, with it just open. Straight up open. You know? But that's what's up.
with that being said, you guys will be able to see this car featured previously and featured in the future. So if you want to stay tuned, you'll see what I might be able to do with a little bit of methanol injection.
Yeah.
We got here the SRM bipipes with the bungs ready to go.
You can see that, though. Okay, yep.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, so stay tuned, because like for all our Euro stuff, I'm gonna be pretty much going to Kyle for everything, because he knows where all the deer guys like to hang and all the meat stuff like that up on the pike for you guys who are from this area, you know. But that'll be probably more in spring. Like right now, it's getting cold and everybody's about to go into hibernation and go in the garages. That's that time of year. 'Cause that's what we do in New England, you know. So, all right. So stay tuned. All right. So that's it for today. So we're closing it out. If we didn't say before, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We need those subscribers. So the heat, yeah, we cold. It's New England. It snowed yesterday, and it feels like it's still snowing, but it's sunny outside. That's how cold it is right now. So this is the crew. We gonna see you guys next time.
Yes, sir.
All right, stay tuned, because Pat's gonna be up here drifting. Hopefully in the spring. Well, you was already drifting, so we ain't got to worry about that. Yeah, man, he ready good to go. We the only poor people up here still building our cars. so Jevon will be drifting soon, right? We're gonna have some Euro coming for you, right? Euro 2, a photographer. All right, so we in there. Till next time.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up.